How to apply for an Oyster Card online. Google search for transport for London, register Oyster, and you want to click on this first website that pops up. Now you will need to create an account. So click on create an account, and the first thing that is going to ask us for is going to be our email address. So I'm just going to do that, and you want to click on send code. Now you will need to confirm the code. I'm just going to do that. Next step will be providing your title. I'm going to choose Mr. and first as well as your last name. The contact mobile number and other numbers are optional, so you can just click on next. You will have to select your country and your postcode. So right here you can find your address. You can choose that option. And you have to provide your street name, city, and again your postcode. Afterwards you will click on next. That is going to create the account, and you can proceed to apply for the Oyster Card through there. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.